Welcome back, everybody. Dr. Blumenthal back here in the DC office with Natural Transplants, and we have a return visit from Lee, yes. our good friend from about, what, 17 months ago? Something like that. So share with everybody how that first procedure was and why you're back.
First procedure, very easy. The only pain you even get is just in the beginning when they're numbing you out. After that, it's no problem. It heals up real quick. And then my hair started growing back within the first couple months, and then by 6 months, it had really come out. In a year, it was incredible.
Yeah.
And I wanted to come get a second coat of paint, and that's what we're here for today.
Awesome. And we had a lot to do the first time. We did about 3/4 of it. Obviously, your hair is very fine and thin. It doesn't do you any favors, but it's not like the glory days back when you're a teenager. But it turned out really, really well.
It did.
Really happy with it. Where you part it, it looks a little thinner, and that's natural. When hair goes in opposite directions, you can see through it easier. So we are going to reinforce a little bit in this corner here. But the priority number one is going to be the crown. I'm going to spin you around. And so we were able to get full density for about halfway, and then we kind of spread out a little bit just to fade it in. This will be priority number one, where we didn't get to it all last time. We're going to fill in priority number two, where we went a little bit last time just to thicken it up. And then priority three, like I said, is going to be the front. So the little front corner. And I'm going to kind of show off your scar here. Some doctor did a fantastic job.
Yes, he did.
And you healed really well, but it's right here, this tiny little line. Very thin. Get a glimpse right there. So really, really thin little pencil line. So we're going to go probably below it today, get as much hair as we can. And, we have a decent amount to cover as well today, but we'll get as much as we can. And
awesome.
Appreciate you doing this and, coming back.
More than happy
to. We'll check in with you a little bit, okay?
Thanks,
All right, we're back with Lee, and as you can see, we have drawn out the hairline here. So again, this triangle where he parts his hair, that's going to be the third priority. I drew out the other side. Usually we like to be symmetric just in case he wants to mix up his part or go back or maybe go right to left instead of someday. But generally this is his natural hair part. So this will be third priority. If we have extras, we'll use them and we'll just put them over there to make it symmetric. But priority number 1 and 2 are back here. And then the strip itself, we're going to go below the other scar. The other scar is right there. So we're going to go a little bit below it. And it's going to be awesome. We'll have a fun day today. You ready?
Ready to go.
All right, let's do it. Lee, you doing all right?
Doing good.
Thumbs up. All right. Got a little lunch break, and we're on part 3 of 3 right now, so we should probably be done in maybe 20 minutes or so. All right, Lee, we are finished. Congratulations, man. How'd today go?
Awesome.
Yeah?
Pain-free, no problem.
You were a rock star, man. You didn't say a word all day today.
It was easier than the first one.
Good. Excellent. That's good to hear. We listened to some good music, had some good food, and did a great job. And you were very easy. We had a fun day. So I'm just going to zoom in here. Again, we got priority 1, priority 2, and priority 3 filled. We did not have enough to go to the other side, which I figured we probably wouldn't, but we really filled that triangle in well. I think it's going to look really nice with your part. And then in the back, oh boy, look at this. We just demolished it. Look at all those grafts. So we got in the priority 1, which is sort of in that bottom half, and then priority 2, which was at the top half again.
Oh, great.
Just kind of reinforced the whole thing. So I love it. Thank you for trusting us for round 2. Hopefully in a year, you'll look like you have a big fro again, like the old days. Any words of advice, anybody out there kind of thinking about doing this? What would you tell them?
If you're sitting on the fence, come on and see Dr. Blumenthal. Set you straight.
Awesome.
It's well worth it.
Awesome. Thank you for doing this. Hopefully this helps somebody out there, and we'll keep checking on you, and hopefully in a year it'll look awesome. All right.
Thank you,
thanks,
Doc.
Lee. All right. We had a lot of fun with Lee today. He rejoined us about a year ago. We did his first procedure, had a really great result, got about 3/4 of the way back. So today he wanted to finish off and do the crown, and then we reinforced his part. The hair goes in different directions, obviously, in the part, and it looked a little thin on him, so we just did a little second coat of that area.
Take the first step to better hair. Call 844-327-4247 to schedule your free virtual consultation.